Okay, this is my video number 2. The first one covered usajobs.gov. That is not the only way for you to find government employment. Let's talk about state employment. We have 50 states, gotta be something. I will give a short example of how to look for things in New York and probably another state. So New York is beneficial because it probably has the most developed web infrastructure when it comes to looking for jobs. The easiest way in New York State to start looking for a job, I wouldn't say the easiest, but the definite way to find something, is you're on Google, you type in counties, escape code, counties in New York. That brings you to the Wikipedia page of New York counties. Let's go here. New York is a giant state. It has over 50 counties. Each county, luckily for us, has a well-developed website. So we'll just start at the top of list, Albany County. We will hit Control and click. This way we have another tab open. You go to Albany County, you scroll down a little bit, you go to albanycounty.com. That is the Albany County website. Click. You come here, beautiful county. Let's see how to look for jobs here. There you go, jobs. And here we have exams and jobs postings, applications and forms, yada yada yada. Well, let's look what is being offered at this time. So due to COVID, obviously no exams right now, sad. Jobs, paramedic, medical, entry-level clerical, these are all small jobs or not so small jobs, but the point is you can apply for a job and get your retirement time ticking with the state of New York. There are plenty of jobs here to choose from. So Albany County. Another example, I'll just move to the next county. Allegheny County, control click, open this up, go to AlleghenyCounty.com. and let's see what they have to offer. Employment opportunities, there you go. Sometimes it gets tricky to find things, but eventually you do. What do they have to offer? These are the exams they offer, and these are promotional exams, and these are job opportunities. There you go. Things to choose from. Okay, so that's I think that's enough for New York State. Let's see how we can look for jobs in other states with other functions set up. Let's go for state jobs in New Jersey. No, you go to official website for state of New Jersey, there you go. Or here, actually it doesn't matter, either one. State job opportunities, things to choose from. Many states will have an actual website set up that covers the entire state. They take your profile and they show you what jobs are available throughout the state. I've done it a few times. I can't remember which state exactly that was, so I cannot display it right now, but you got the idea. You go to the state, you can break down the state by counties, you can break down the state by locations, and that is your way of looking for jobs. The jobs are out there. And we're at 5 minutes. I think I have time for another video. So another way to look for a job, since you're all college students, Chronicle of Higher Education, jobs.chronicle.com/jobs/. Let's go here. This is a job portal for students. Now, don't be scared because it shows associate professor. You can probably find many jobs that do not require to be a professor on this website. We're at 5:45, 5:47. So yeah, you have jobs within academia, you have jobs outside of academia, all kinds of jobs. Look through all of them, you will find something. In either case, you need a resume, a good resume. A resume should not ideally extend to more than 2 pages. More than 2 pages, human resources will get bored and look at somebody else's resume. I took a gamble, my resume is 3 pages, but that's because I knew specifically, precisely the type of job I was looking for. So I took a risk and I got lucky. Once again, you have any, and make sure you have cover letters. Cover letters are extremely important. A cover letter is nothing more than you telling on the duration of 1 double-spaced page everything you want your employer to know about you that is not covered in the resume. If you need examples of cover letters, hit me up. I have no problem sending mine to you. So once again, if you need help, if you need advice, if you have questions, you know my email. It doesn't matter if the semester is over. I'm here for you before, during, and after the semester. Thank you. Goodbye. Why is it not stopping? That's weird.